Opening the box, the first things you see are the stove body, a carrying bag, and the burner cover. But wait, there's more inside the stove body. Two leg stands, two X-shaped pot supports, insulation tools, and a square chimney. Everything you need. Installing the leg stands. Use the included mini wrench to tighten the screws on all four sides. Smooth and effortless. Installing the chimney. Align the chimney with the base. Then place the X-shaped pot support on the top slot. Stable and secure. Installing the burner cover. Place the burner cover on top. Installing the heat-resistant handle. Twist on the heat-resistant handle for added safety and convenience. Remove the foam packaging to reveal the fireproof window. Storage tutorial. Open the included carrying bag. And start by removing the pot supports and chimney. Placing parts inside the stove. Store all the parts inside the stove body. Then close the compartment, neat and organized. Storing the stove. Place the stove directly into the carrying bag, compact as a camera bag. Easy to store and carry.